everyone, and welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you Bahamian sweet potato salad. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. Here are the ingredients. Okay, let's begin. I am peeling a potato. That one has a brown spot, but I'll take care of that. Okay, it didn't go all the way through. Very good. Now I'm just splitting the potatoes into quarters so it can be easier to handle. Okay, now the peeling begins. I'm going to peel one on camera and one off camera just to save time. Finished. Cut into quarters. Good job. Now I'm going to cut them up into cubes, just like that, the size that is necessary for the salad. The cutting board is getting too crowded, so I'm going to move them off. I have to rinse them, so just move them off into this strainer. Ready for the pot, washed and ready. Now I'm going to add 4 eggs and I would allow the potatoes and the eggs to cook for about no more than 8 to 10 minutes. Just placing them between the potatoes. Now you don't need the entire pot to be filled with water. Just about half of the pot. Fill it up halfway. Cover the potatoes, cover the pot, and allow it to cook 8 to 10 minutes. Now don't let the potatoes cook soft, smushy. No, you still want some firmness. So right now I'm checking them. Okay, they're ready. So turn off the stove. Pouring off the hot water under a running tap of cold water. Right now I'm just trying to get some of the heat out of the potatoes, because you don't want hot potato salad. So I'm just trying to get it allowed to cool down a bit. By doing this, they're ready. They're not too hard and not too soft, just right. Now these ingredients are going to be added to the potatoes. The eggs will be added last. Bell pepper, celery, onion, yes. And I have the pepper flakes, almonds, mustard, paprika, and the garlic salt. Ready. Okay, now I'm just pouring them into a mixing bowl. Now I'm going to add the ingredients. That's the garlic salt, red pepper flakes, now the onions, celery, and then the green pepper. bell pepper. We call it sweet pepper in the Bahamas. Sweet pepper, bell pepper, same thing. All of that is in. Adding the Hellmann's. Hellmann's brings out the flavor in everything. That's the Hellmann's. Mayo. Mustard. Now if you want your salad extra creamy, you can add extra mayo. Not so creamy, less mayo. It's up to you. Now notice I didn't use black pepper. I don't use black pepper, but you can if you wish. We don't use black pepper. Now the mixing begins. Just mixing it gently, nice and slow. I do not want to mash the potatoes. That's why I'm doing it like that. Take your time. Just combine. All you're doing is trying to coat the potatoes, mixing the ingredients together. That's all I'm doing. Gently mixing this salad, nice and slow. Right. Oh, that looks nice. Delicious. Give my hands a quick rinse. Now I'm going to chop up the eggs right on the paddle. That's the reason I like mixing with a paddle. I didn't cut them on the cutting board for a reason. I don't want the yolk to be splashed up all over the board. So why not just do it right in the salad? Much easier. So use your paddle and just cut the eggs onto it. Because the yolks, they tend to make a mess on a cutting board. Just like that. This is the last one. Eggs give the salad a great flavor. Now the mixing. Gently as before. You don't want to mash up everything. Gently mix, gently combine. Just like that. Now it's up to you. If you want to put more mayo, feel free to do so. If you want to use black pepper, feel free. There you have it. Bahamian sweet potato salad. Now I'm serving that with some barbecue ribs and broccoli. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next one.